Hello and welcome to Lakeside Parkway Model Railway. Right, a quick video. Hope before I start, hope you can hear me okay. I have got a new microphone, trying to get the video quality a little bit better for you. So quick one. I've seen a few comments on Facebook and I had a couple of comments on my last video about the cab, removing the cab on the new Bachmann 08. So I thought I'd do a very quick video to show you how. So, body removal first. Very simple. What you want to do is, first things first, is remove the whistle. So all it does, just pops out, removes that because it's quite brittle. You do get a spare, but they are brittle. So remove that. Right, pop the little removable roof off there. Then, with a pair of pliers, so needle nose pliers, or something like that, what I do is get them underneath these, can't see, under the connectors like this here, and just angle it up a little bit. There you go. So that's released that one. Do the same on the front. There is a certain YouTuber, big YouTuber, Model Railway one, who did a review of these, and I don't think he removed them because both of the sockets were snapped, I saw on the video. So yeah, make sure you do that. So they're just loose, otherwise you won't be able to get the body off. So underneath the loco, there's 4 screws. So you got the ones at the front. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do the inner ones. It's just the 4 outer ones. So I'll quickly pause it to take them off, and I'll show you the next step. Right. So once you got your 4 screws out, now the body should just release off like that. So there's your under frame, and you get your body. Right. Now this is the tricky part. So how I found the best to do it. So PVA glue spreader. So what you want to do is behind these wires here, this is where you need to be a bit more careful, is get this and you want to tuck it in here. So just got to be careful not to damage the wires, but you can get it in there. There you go. So just like that. And now it's a bit that's hard to film, but you want to hold both sides of the cabs and you'll see that they're not actually attached to the middle part. So you want to pull that one out, pull that one out, like so. And as you're pulling on, you want to press down. There we go. Hey presto, cab off. So now you've got access to the cab, so you can put figures in there on whatever you want. Like I say, obviously the cab has lighting in it, but yeah, very easy to do. Reassembly wise, it is just literally push back on. Just obviously be careful of these wires, but yeah. Hope that was helpful to some people. I thought I'd make it because I've seen quite a lot of comments online. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.